In this world, everyone has dreams. We all have things we want to achieve, and we try our best to achieve those things. But you've heard a saying that graveyard is one of the richest places, or the places where there is so many wealth. And why do people say that? It's because so many people die with their dreams. They die with their wealth in their mind, wealth that has never been created. It's all there in the graveyard. One of the reasons that people die with their wealth in their mind is because they wait for perfect conditions before they can start. That's one of the reasons why people don't start the things they want to start. You want to create a business, but because you think you don't have anything that will take you to create a business, you don't start. You wait for the perfect time, and you wait until it is late and you cannot start it anymore, or because the time comes and you die, so you die without doing that thing. But did you know that there will never be a time when everything will be perfect? There will never be a time when all conditions will be met as you want it to be. There will never be a time when you will not be afraid. You always be afraid, and there will always be a problem to solve. But so many people wait for the best conditions to start. Let's take an example. You want to start a business selling cows, but you don't have a cow now, and you wait for the time when you have maybe 10 million or any other amount to start, and you buy your cow and then you sell it again. But did you know you can start? You can start by going to the person who needs the cow, ask how much are you going to give for this cow. You go to the person who has a cow. You start as maybe a commissioner. You are matching those people, one who has a cow and one who doesn't have a cow. And as you start from there, you can start and then get to the level you can be selling your own cows. But because you are thinking you need to start at that level where you are selling your own cows, you wait until it doesn't happen, because maybe you don't get the money, or because something else happens and you don't get to do that thing. And the wealth you have created is not created, and you die with it. That is the reality for most people. But if you want to do something, if you have something you want to do, this is your best time to start doing it. You don't wait for the perfect condition. You don't wait until you are not afraid anymore. Just start it. Start it with the little you have. You don't wait for level 15. Just start with level 1, and then we'll be moving up. So you don't start from level 15. One thing that you don't know is that if you can be able to be resourceful when you have no resources, when you have resources, you're going to be much more productive. Because if you can manage no resources, then when you have resources, you're going to be a very good manager. One of the ways that I do this myself is when I'm going to start a new thing, I ask myself, what is the worst case scenario? What is the thing that can go wrong, and what is the thing that can go right? And what will be the consequences for each? And if the benefits outweigh the consequences, then I go ahead and start that thing. And if you don't have a way to start, just find another way that you can be doing something that will be leading you to that thing that you want. And one of the other thing is, you should know that most people at the end of their lives do not regret things they have done. Even if you do it and you fail, don't regret it, because you have tried and you will move on with no problem, no regrets, nothing else. But if you don't, and you get to your end of life, you are maybe in your 50s, your 70s, your 80s, or you are maybe at 100, you're going to find that you'll be regretting things that you did not have, a notebook full of ideas that you did not try. And you should know that there is no medicine, there is no cure for regret. So if you want to do something, start today. Don't wait. Don't wait to be perfect. Don't wait for conditions to be perfect. Don't wait for the right time. Don't wait for the perfect time. Just start today. You will never know if the time is perfect if you don't start. So if you want to build something, start today. Don't wait for the perfect conditions.